open, cross-street line, with one door of entrance.
Did you hear that? That's shortwave. That's coming from Monticello, WBCQ. This is my crazy radio. I don't know why I bought this radio. I got this about 3 weeks ago. It was on sale. Normally $19.99. It was on sale for $16.99. And it had some unique things about it that just caught my eye because I love novelty radios. AM, FM, shortwave. That was shortwave you were listening to, of course. Bluetooth and MP3 player. Up here, we have the controls for the MP3. Also, it has that TRRS mode where you can get two of these and play them in stereo. I'm tempted to get another one to try that, but I don't know. There's where the USB dongle goes in, TF card, band selects, plus MP3. It has, boop, a solar charging capability. It uses an 18650 battery, which it comes with. Over here we have on-off volume, tuning, and charging port. And it comes with a charging cable, very short, but it comes with a charging cable. And it comes with a manual, which is very short. It's 1 page. That's all you need, basic information. Comes in a nice box. There's the model number. Well, no, you can't see it. I can. RX-BT1688S. And there's my fan, ceiling fan reflecting. Okay. Now, I haven't actually told you about what caught my eye, but I'm going to try to show you. Okay, I've got a TF card here, and it's got some of the free YouTube library music on it. So I'm going to play that and watch what happens when I do. So we're going to go over to music. Look at that. Look at that. Talk about a novelty. Let me turn the volume up. Good sound. Pretty good sized speaker. Change tracks. Now this is not in sync with the music at all. It just runs a random pattern, which I find, and some people will not share this, I find that pleasing and it helps me fall asleep. Other people, it'll drive them nuts. So that was really what caught my eye. Let's start back up. Plenty of volume. I just barely got it turned up. Change tracks.
Hello, this is Tom.
That's a recording.
Radio Room Show.
You can record.
On the Prunus J.
Oh.
Hello, this is Tom, and this is...
You can record on a different radio.
This is Tom, and this is Tom's radio.
I forgot.
Hello, this is Tom. And
all right, I don't want to hear you, Tom. Jeez. Oh, there's shortwave. I'm losing my mind here. That recording that was on the TF card came from the recording I did on the Prunus radio that I demonstrated about a week ago, I think. So no, this does not have record capability. What else? I got myself confused now. Okay, I got to tell you the real bad news. It's a DSP tuner. Muting while tuning, and it is bad. Let me show you. Let's go to the AM band, turn the volume back up, and we'll try to tune. And it wants to be this way, of course.
Tell you, by the way, another
Don't notice it.
Flying SEN 620. Rob Parker for you. Glad
I take it back. You hardly notice it in AM mode, but let me go back to shortwave. That's where you notice it. Okay, here we go. Ba-doop, ba-doop. So you're going to have to tune really slow on shortwave. FM, and I got to be careful of music.
Jesus said,
Oh, okay.
let not your heart be troubled.
No music.
You believe
Not bad.
quarterback.
So I have to take that back. The muting while tuning is really only affects tuning the shortwave band. So it's not bad. So AM and FM, Bluetooth and MP3 player and the novelty light, pretty cool for $16.99. And according to the box, it has super bass. I have no idea what that means because there's no, I see no, and it's got solar charging, but I see no base port. Uses an 18650 battery. Did I already tell you that? The dial is not lighted. The only time this comes on is when you're playing files from your TF card or your USB card, which I can show you again. I say I can show you again. No, I turned it off.
Hello, this is Tom.
Oh, we don't care about Tom. There we go. Lots of volume. Good sound. And this ambient light. That might drive some people crazy. I love it. That's what caught my eye. So that's about it. I think it's a pretty good radio. You can see it's pretty good size. Takes two hands to hold it completely. So I think it's about maybe 6 inches. Telescopic antenna is only 13 inches maybe. So not going to get too much on shortwave. I was surprised. I did get about 3 stations on shortwave, all within the United States. And it was about 6 o'clock in the morning. So propagation apparently seems to be pretty good right now. I'm hooked on these novelty radios. I got another one coming up to show you that I bought, another novelty radio. And I talked to a couple of my sellers who've been sending me radios to see if they'll send me some more. We'll see. Hopefully they liked my videos. I had one, I can't remember which one. Oh, it was the little tiny radio that I showed you. Little tiny radio. That video went viral. I normally only get maybe 300, 500 views on a given radio review. That one is already up to almost 4,000 views. I don't know why it's viral. Maybe the title or something. Anyway, I'm through babbling. I'm through showing you this radio. Again, it's manufactured by Kenny. Get it off of Amazon. It's on sale right now, as of this video, for $16.99. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye from the Crazy Man.